Dear students, welcome to our YouTube channel Chem Origin. This is Dr. Satish Kumar. Students, in the last video module 3 and video module 4, we learned the concept of molarity. So, definition of molarity, and also we can solve some numerical problems based on the molarity concept. So, students, in this video module, I would like to discuss about the concept of molality. So molality is also a concentration term to express the concentration of a solution like molarity. So in this video module we discuss about the definition of molality and the mathematical form of molality and some numerical problems we can solve in this video module. Let us start the class. Students, next concentration term is molality. Generally, students, molality is denoted with a letter small m. Molality is denoted with a small m. Let us see the definition of molality and the mathematical form of molality we can see. Molality. So molality is defined like this. Molality is defined like this. The number of moles of solute. Molality is defined as the number of moles of solute per 1 kg of solvent. The number of moles of solute. The number of moles of solute per 1 kg solvent, per 1 kilogram of solvent is defined as a molality. The number of moles of solute per 1 kilogram of solvent is defined as a molality. Molality is denoted with a small m. So we can see the mathematical form of the molality. Students, let us assume. Students, we know that number of moles of solute. So number of moles, we know the formula for number of moles is equals to weight by molecular weight. So weight by molecular weight of that component is nothing but the number of moles. So for the mathematical form of molality, let us assume mass of the solute or weight of the solute. Let us assume mass of the solute is equals to WA. WA is the mass of the solute. You can assume mass of the solute as WA. And similarly, molecular mass or molecular weight of the solute can be denoted with a, let us assume, molecular mass of the solute is MA. Molecular mass of the solute is assumed as a MA. And similarly, mass of the solvent is assumed as a WB. Mass of the solvent is assumed as a WB. Therefore, students, the mathematical form of molality is equals to number of moles of solute, weight by molecular weight. Therefore, weight of the solute is WA. Weight of the solute WA by weight of the solute WA by molecular weight of the solute MA. Molecular weight of the solute MA. WA by MA is the number of moles of solute per 1 kilogram of solvent. Therefore, here we assumed the weight of the solvent in kilograms is WB. Therefore, WA by MA into 1 by WB is the mathematical form of molality. In kilograms. So students, in kilograms, In kilograms, the molality mathematical form is WA by MA into 1 by WB. So here WA is the weight of the solute or mass of the solute, and MA is the molecular mass of the solute, and 1 by WB is the molecular mass of the solvent. Therefore, students, if you write the molality in grams, suppose if you write the mathematical form of the molality in grams, we can write this equation like this. Molality is equals to molality small m is equals to WA by MA into 1000 by WB. Students, we know that 1 kilogram is equals to 1000 grams. We know that, students, 1 kilogram is equals to 1000 grams. Hence, the molality in grams or kilograms we can find by using the relation WA by MA, WA by MA into 1000 by WB. By using this relation, we can find the molality of a given solution. Molality of a given solution. Let us see how we can find the molality of a solution with the help of this formula. Students, molality is also used to express the concentration of a solution. In the video module 3 and video module 4, we saw the definition of molarity and mathematical form of molarity and some numerical problems of molarity we discussed in our earlier videos, module 3 and module 4. In this present module, we do some numerical problems on molality. Students, we can see some numerical problems on molality concept. The first problem: what is the molality of 3 grams of ethanoic acid in 100 grams of benzene? What is the molality of 3 grams of ethanoic acid in 100 grams of benzene? Students, in this problem, the solvent is benzene. And its weight is given as 100 grams. And the solute is ethanoic acid. Ethanoic acid is the solute. Its weight is given as 3 grams. Then find the molality of the solution. So now we can solve this problem. What is the given problem is? The given problem is, this is the given problem. The given problem is, what is the molality of 3 grams of ethanoic acid in 100 grams of benzene? This is the problem number 1. So we can see the solution for this problem. Solution. Students, first of all, we write the given data. Given weight or mass of the solute. Given weight or mass of the solute. So in this problem, the solute is ethanoic acid. Therefore, weight of the ethanoic acid is equals to 3 grams. So solute weight is denoted with a WA. Students, ethanoic acid molecular formula is like this. Ethanoic acid molecular formula is like this: CH3 COOH. CH3COOH is the ethanoic acid molecular formula. Or you can write like this: C2H4O2. C2H4O2 is the molecular formula of ethanoic acid. It is also known as the common name. The common name for ethanoic acid is acetic acid. Students, we know the common name of ethanoic acid is acetic acid. So students, acetic acid is also known as ethanoic acid. Ethanoic acid is the IUPAC name. Ethanoic acid is the IUPAC name. Acetic acid is the common name. So acetic acid is equals to, or ethanoic acid, CH3COOH or C2H4O2 is the molecular formula of ethanoic acid. Students, therefore molecular mass of the ethanoic acid is equals to, we can easily calculate the molecular weight or molecular mass of the molecular mass or molecular weight of the ethanoic acid. It is denoted with a Ma is equals to C2H4O2. So 2 carbon atoms, 4 hydrogen atoms and 2 oxygen atoms. So 24 plus 4 plus 32, that equals to 60 grams. So 60 grams is the molecular mass or molecular weight of the acetic acid. Acetic acid molecular weight is 60 grams. And similarly, the weight of the solvent or benzene, in this problem the solvent is benzene. So given weight of the benzene, WB in grams, WB is given in grams. WB is equals to 100 grams. 100 grams weight of the solvent, that is nothing but benzene. Therefore students, we know the formula of molality. So we know that students, molality is denoted with a small m. Molality small m is equals to, molality small m is equals to WA by MA. Molality small m is equals to WA by MA. WA by MA into 1000 by WB. 1000 by WB is the formula for molality. Just now we discussed into 1000 by WB. 1000 by WB is the molality formula. So we know WA, MA and WB. You can substitute all these values in the above formula. We get WA 3 grams by 60, that equals to 3 by 60 into 1000 by 100. 3 by 60 into 1000 by 100, that equals to, students, we know that 3 by 60 means 1 by 20. 3 by 60 means 1 by 20, that equals to 1 by 20. 1 by 20 into 1000 by 100 means 10. 1000 by 100 means 10. That implies, that equals to 1 by 2. 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means 0.5. Therefore, the concentration of the given solution is, that equals to 1 by 2, that equals to 0.5. Therefore, molality of 3 grams of molality of 3 grams. Therefore molality of 3 grams of ethanoic acid, we can write like this in finally. Therefore molality of 3 grams of ethanoic acid in 100 grams of benzene is equals to 0.5 m. 0.5 m. So in this way we can find the molality. Of a solution. Okay students, I hope you understood this problem clearly. We can see next problem. What is the molality of a solution containing 0.365 grams of HCl in 100 grams of water? So what is the molality of a solution containing 0.365 grams of HCl in 100 grams of water? So this is the given problem 2. The problem 2 is problem number 2. The numerical problem number 2. What is the molality of a solution containing 0.365 grams of HCl in 100 grams of water? Students, Here the weight, here the solute is HCl and the solvent is water. So weight of the water is given as a 100 grams and weight of the HCl or mass of the HCl is given as a 0.365 grams. You can write given weight of the HCl, weight of the HCl WA, given weight of the HCl is equals to 0.365 grams and the molecular weight of HCl, molecular weight of HCl is, we know that students, 36.5 grams. 36.5 grams is the molecular weight of the or molecular mass of the HCl. Similarly, here the solvent is water. So given weight of the water, the given weight of the water WB is equals to 100 grams. So you can substitute all these values in our molality formula. Students, here we know that molality is equals to weight of the solute by molecular weight of the solute into 1000 by weight of the solvent in grams. So the given WA is equals to 0.365 by 36.5. 36.5 is the molecular mass of the HCl into 1000 by weight of the solvent, that equals to 1000 by 100. 1000 by 100. Therefore that equals to, so 0.365 by 36.5 means, students, we can calculate this one. So we can find, so students, 0.365 by 36.5 means 0.01. 0.01 into 1000 by 100 means 10. So therefore molality small m is equals to, molality is equals to 0.1. Hence we can written as the molality. Hence we can written as, therefore we can written like this. Therefore the molality of a solution containing 0.365 grams of HCl in 100 gram of water is equals to 0.1 molal. 0.1 molal. So students, I hope you understood this problem. We can see next problem. Problem number 3. An aqueous solution of urea containing 18 grams of urea in 1500 cc of solution was a density 1.052 grams centimeter cube. If the molecular weight of urea is 60, what is the molality of the solution? So this is another easiest problem in the molality concept. So molality. So this is problem number 3. Problem number 3, an aqueous solution. Students, we know that aqueous solution means solvent is water. Here an aqueous solution of urea. Here urea is the solute. Its weight is given as a 18 grams. And also molecular weight of urea is also given here 60. And the volume of the solution is given as a 1500 cc centimeter cube. And the density of the solution is given as a 1.052 grams per centimeter cube. Grams per centimeter cube. So we can solve. Given mass of the urea or weight of the urea. Given weight of the urea. Given weight of the urea WA is equals to 18 grams. 18 grams. Molecular weight of the urea also given in the problem. Given in the statement as a 60 grams. 60. So molecular weight of urea is also given as a 60. But here the solvent water weight is not given. So initially we should find the weight of the water. So we should find the weight of the water. But along with this data, volume of the solution is given in the problem. So volume of the solution. Given volume of the solution we can write like this, students. Given volume of the solution, volume of the solution, capital V, volume of the solution, volume of the solution is 1500 cc, means centimeter cube. 1500 cc means centimeter cube here in this problem. And density of the solution is also given in the problem. Density of the solution, density of the solution is given as a, density of the solution is given as 1.052, 1.052 grams per centimeter cube. 1.052 grams centimeter cube is the density of the solution. Students, we know the formula. We know that, students, we know that mass of the solution, mass of the solution, mass of the solution is equals to volume of the solution into density of the solution. Therefore, mass is equals to volume into density. Therefore, mass of the solution is equals to volume into density. That equals to 1500 centimeter cube is the volume of the solution, and density is 1.052 grams centimeter cube is the given density of the solution. Therefore, from this mass of the solution becomes, mass of the solution is equals to 1500 into 1.052. We can calculate this one. 1500 into 1.052, that equals to 1578. 1578 grams is the mass of the solution. So students, but we need mass or weight of the solvent water. So students, we know that mass of the solution is equals to the mass of the solute plus mass of the solvent. Mass of the solution is equals to the mass of the solute plus mass of the solvent. Mass of the solvent. So students, just now we find the mass of the solution as a 1578 grams, and given mass of the solute, that is urea, mass of the urea is given as a 18 grams plus mass of the solvent, that should be, we should found, that is mass of the solvent. Here the solvent is water. Mass of the solvent, water, that is nothing but our WB. Therefore, from this mass of the water WB is equals to 1578 minus 18, that equals to 1560 grams. Therefore, students, we know the mass of the water. Then finally, you can submit in our molality formula. Molality is equals to weight of the urea by molecular weight of the urea into 1000 by WB. So given weight of the urea as a 18 and molecular mass of urea is given as 60 into 1000 by 1560, 1000 by 1560. So 18 by 60 means we should found 18 by 60. 18 divided by 60. 18 divided by 60 gives 0.3. 0.3 into 1000 by 1560 into 1000. 1000 divided by 1560. 1000 divided by 1560 gives 0.64. 0.64. Therefore, students, 0.64 into 0.3 gives 0.192. 0.192. 0.192 is the molality of the solution. 0.192. Okay, students, I hope you understood this problem. Students, next problem. 214.2 grams of sugar syrup contains 34.2 grams of sugar. Calculate the molality of the solution. Since the molecular weight of sugar is given as a 342 grams. So students, in this problem, the solute is sugar. Sugar is the solute. Its weight is given as a 34.2 grams and the molecular weight of sugar is also given as a 342. And here the sugar syrup, here the weight of the solution or mass of the solution is given as a 214.2 grams. So this problem we can solve by, initially we should found the mass of the solvent, then only we can find the molality of the given solution. So students, we can solve another problem. So given problem is two given problem is 214.2 grams is the mass of the solution. So solute is sugar, so given weight or mass of the sugar, given mass of the sugar or weight of the sugar, given weight of the sugar, given weight of the sugar WA is equals to 34.2 grams, 34.2 grams, and molecular weight or molecular mass of the sugar, molecular mass of the sugar, molecular mass of the sugar is given as a MA is equals to 342 grams per mole. Similarly students, here we should find the mass of the solvent or mass of the water. So mass of the solvent we should find initially. Initially we should find the mass of the water, and given mass of the solution, mass of the solution is given as a mass of the solution, mass of the solution, mass of the solution is given as a 214.2 grams. 214.2 grams is the given mass of the solution. And students, we know that mass of the solution is equals to mass of the solvent plus mass of the solute. So here the solute is sugar, sugar is the solute in this problem. So therefore mass of the solvent, therefore mass of the solvent WB, mass of the solvent WB is equals to mass of the solution, WB is equals to mass of the solution minus mass of the solute, that is nothing but sugar. Mass of the solution minus mass of the sugar, that equals to mass of the solvent WB is equals to 214.2 grams, 214.2 grams minus 34.2 grams. So 214.2 minus 34.2, we get 180. 180 grams is the mass of the solvent. Now we know the mass of the solute, molecular mass of the solute, and mass of the solvent. So we can find the molality of the solution. So students, we know that molality is equals to, we know that molality is equals to WA by MA, WA by MA into 1000 by WB. Therefore given WA is equals to 34.2 divided by 342 into 1000 by WB is 180. So this on simplification, students, we get 34.2 by 342 means 0.1 into 1000 divided by 180. We can found 1000 divided by 180 equals to 5.55. So 5.55. So 5.55 into 0.1 is equals to 0.55 is equals to 0.55 is the 0.355. 0.555 is the molality of the solution. 0.555 is the molality of the solution. Next problem students, a solution contains 410.3 grams of H2SO4 per liter of solution at 20 degrees centigrade. If the density is 1.243 grams per ml, what will be the molality? So students, in this problem, the solute is H2SO4 and its weight is given as a 410.3 grams and the density of the solution is given as a 1.243 grams per ml. So students, initially we should find the mass of the water, mass of the solvent. So students, here the solute is H2SO4, its weight 410.3 grams, WA is given, and the molecular mass of the H2SO4 MA is 98, we know that. So we should find the mass of the solvent. Now we should do this problem. We can calculate this problem. So given problem, this is, I think this is problem number 5. Problem number 5. A solution contains 410.3 grams of H2SO4. So in this problem, H2SO4 is our solute. Per liter of solution, per liter of solution, and its density is 1.243. So volume of the solution is given as a 1 liter. Volume of the solution is given as a 1 liter. Volume of the solution is given as a 1 liter. Therefore, given weight of the H2SO4, here H2SO4 is our solute. Given weight of the H2SO4, WA is equals to 410.3 grams, and molecular weight of H2SO4, students, we know the molecular weight of H2SO4, that is 98, because two hydrogen atoms, one sulfur atom 32, and 4 oxygen atoms 16 4s are 64. So total 98 is the molecular weight of H2SO4 and the weight of the solvent. So we should find the weight of the solvent, that is nothing but WB. Given volume of the solution is 1 liter. Volume of the solution is given as a 1 liter. 1 liter is the volume of the solution, and density of the solution is given as a 1.243 grams per ml. Grams per ml. So students, volume of the solution 1 liter. 1 liter is equals to, we know that students, 1 liter is equals to 1000 ml. Therefore, mass of the solution is equals to volume into density. Given volume of the solution is 1000 ml. Given volume of the solution is 1000 ml and the density of the solution is 1.243 grams per ml. Therefore, on multiplication, we get how much, students? Mass of the solution is equals to 1243 grams. 1243 grams is the mass of the solution. So students, we know that mass of the solution is equals to mass of the solute plus mass of the solvent. Just now we find the mass of the solution as a 1243 grams. 1243 grams, and the mass of the solute is given, that is nothing but H2SO4. So mass of the H2SO4 is 410.3 grams, and mass of the solvent, we should find the mass of the solvent, that is nothing but WB in this problem. So mass of the solvent, so therefore mass of the solvent WB is equals to 1243 minus 410.3, that equals to how much, students? We can calculate 1243 minus 410.3, that equals to 832.7. 832.7 is grams, is the weight of the solvent or mass of the solvent. Therefore, students, we know the formula, molality is equals to weight of the solute by molecular weight of the solute into 1000 by WB in grams. Therefore, weight of the urea, weight of the solute. Here in this problem, weight of the solute H2SO4 is 410.3 by molecular mass of the solute is 98 H2SO4 1000 by weight of the water is 832.7. Therefore, this on simplification we can see 410.3 divided by 98 is equals to 4.186, that equals to 4.186 into 1000 by 832 into 1000 divided by 832.7, that equals to 1.200. So 1.200 into 4.186 is equals to 5.027. Therefore, that equals to molality is equals to 5.027 molality. Therefore molality of the solution is equals to, therefore we can write like this, therefore molality is equals to 5.027 molal. Molality equals to 5.027. Okay students, so I hope you understood this problem. Okay students, I hope you enjoyed this session. Students, in this video module we learn about the definition of molality, and also we can solve some numerical problems on the concept of molality. Okay students, thank you very much.